Hello and welcome! Have you ever wondered how the plastic in your food containers, car bumpers, or even your furniture is made? Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most common plastics, polypropylene. We'll break down the fascinating process of how we turn a simple gas into the durable material we use every day, all in simple, easy-to-understand steps. It all starts with a gas called propylene. This gas is a hydrocarbon, which means it comes from sources like petroleum or natural gas. Think of propylene as a single, tiny building block, also known as a monomer. The main goal is to link thousands, or even millions, of these tiny propylene blocks together to form a very long chain. This process of linking monomers is called polymerization. Imagine you have a huge box of paper clips. Each paper clip is a propylene molecule. Polymerization is like connecting all those paper clips one by one to create a long, strong chain, and that chain is our new material, polypropylene. To make this happen, we need a special recipe. First, the propylene gas is pumped into a large industrial container called a reactor. Then, a crucial ingredient is added, a catalyst. A catalyst is like a chemical matchmaker. It helps the propylene molecules link up quickly and efficiently without getting used up in the process. We also need the right environment, so the reactor is put under high pressure and the temperature is carefully controlled. These conditions encourage the propylene monomers to react and form those long polymer chains. As the reaction proceeds, what was once a gas starts to transform into a solid. The first form of polypropylene that comes out of the reactor is a fluffy white powder. While this is pure polypropylene, it's not very easy for manufacturers to use, so the next step is to turn this powder into a more convenient form. The powder is melted down into a thick, gooey liquid. At this stage, other ingredients, called additives, can be mixed in. This is where colors are added to make red, blue, or green plastic. Other additives can make the final product stronger, more flexible, or resistant to sunlight. This molten mixture is then pushed through a machine called an extruder, which forces it out into long, thin strands, like plastic spaghetti. These hot strands are immediately cooled, usually by passing them through a water bath, which makes them solid and hard. Finally, a machine with spinning blades chops these cooled strands into small, manageable pieces. These little pieces are called pellets or nurdles. These pellets are the final raw material, easy to transport, store, and melt down again. Factories around the world buy these polypropylene pellets, melt them, and use techniques like injection molding to shape the plastic into all the products we see and use daily, from chairs and toys to packaging and medical devices. So, from a simple gas to a powder, and finally to versatile plastic pellets, that is the journey of making polypropylene. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this explanation interesting and helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support allows us to keep making more videos like this one. See you next time.